Hey guys, welcome back to Dalesha's Live.
Good afternoon.
We're here at Target about to do a good deed. We're gonna go donate some few items, hand sanitizer and dish soap to our local animal shelter. But we have a lot of time to kill, so we're gonna eat beforehand.
Also.
Oh, and look, the sign behind me is the new Starbucks drink. It's the new colorful Frappuccino. So I'm gonna try that and I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes.
Disgusting.
And he's excited for the pizza.
I am. It's my lunch. I like Pizza Hut. I wanted to get Domino's the other night, but excuse me, I'm talking now. I wanted to get Domino's the other night, but she doesn't like Domino's, so we couldn't order Domino's.
We could, but he didn't want to order it by himself. Said he feels bad.
I might have to break the rules and do that anyway.
But yeah, this, I don't know, this Target Pizza Hut smells weird, so it's not but I can't have it anyway, so it don't matter.
Anyway, we will check back with you guys later.
Alright. Well, clearly they leave
Other way.
Oh, they're closed?
No, they're not.
Oh. I was gonna say, they got their carts blocking the way.
I thought there was a shot at the end, but... So you want to have fries?
Or just tell us what they got. Besides pizza. Did you notice the poll? Cause I didn't. I mean, I noticed.
Hello.
I'm waiting for my system to update. So technically right now I can only do cash on this one.
Okay. I may have cash. Just had a question for you first. Do you have, besides popcorn and pizza, what else do you have? Do you have anything like French fries or something?
Yeah, we got French fries.
Oh,
we
okay.
got wings. We got pastas.
Okay.
We got chicken Alfredo. We got medium Mariana.
Okay, I didn't know you guys carried French fries.
Yeah,
So
we do. We got French fries. We got chicken tenders.
I gotcha. Okay.
I got cash. So
So
what do
I
you
guess
want?
I'll get some fries to hold me over.
So let me have, you want to go get your, I'll get that then. You go
Okay.
Go get your
Well,
stuff.
no, I want to. I'll wait.
So I'll pay you with cash. Let me have pepperoni pizza. There we go. All right. We're back, and now she's gonna go order her drink. Let's go get your drink.
What was the issue?
Not talking.
We have to talk.
She's gonna go to Starbucks and get her drink. So let's see.
Can you not have it all up in your grill like that?
That is my grill. Hi, how you doing? Please go get the order. I don't want him to eat my fries or anybody else.
But if we're not,
Actually, they're your fries.
There's a line.
There is.
Yeah, they have my fries. That's why I was wondering why you were claiming them back there.
She's getting Starbucks with French fries.
Yeah, so
Just want everybody to know.
they got the Starbucks from earlier. So
Maybe.
he has a Coke. Not yet, but he's been on the Coke wagon again.
She just
So-
brings full cups of Coke like that.
No, that's him. He wanted the Happy Meal. So
First of all, it's not a Happy Meal.
It Can you stand back?
Nope.
Can I get the new drink? The
tie-dye?
yeah.
Yeah? Sure can.
And that was made with coconut milk.
Yeah, of course. What size were you thinking today?
Let's do a small. Just because I'm not sure.
She's a whim.
I understand. Do it small, better be safe than
Yeah.
sorry. Do I have a name for your cup?
You can do Gail.
Gail? Is that all for you today?
Yeah. Oh no. Yes, it is. For
Okay.
now.
Yes. All right, then just $5.43.
So, she's gonna get the tie-dye.
A little closer. Thank
Small.
you. Yes, they are.
Look at all the stuff they have, guys.
What, bill or do you want cash?
Yeah.
I'm not a big Starbucks person, but I bet a lot of you guys are. If you watch Dalesha's life, you have to like Starbucks like she does. This is the little place we come and sit. You got nice little tables, and then over at the end there, they have a little bar area.
Unless you want something else. Oh, would you like a copy of your receipt today?
No, thank you.
All All right, sounds good. Oh yeah.
I'll wait for her down here. Or?
How much do you want your cash back? Would you like the
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
You're fine.
She's having a rough
You
day.
can do two bills. That's fine.
You want to do just the 20 and the 10?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. There you go. You're very welcome.
Forgot.
You're fine. So did I. I'm glad it beats at me.
Yeah.
Alrighty, well, she got her drink. And
Well,
now
no,
we're
I
waiting
didn't
for
get my
it.
drink
Well,
yet, but
she
we're
got the
waiting on
order in
it. So I'll be back to tell you the verdict. Okay, y'all, I got the tie-dye frappuccino. Let's see how it tastes. This is what it looked like. So far, I only see yellow. Does it look tie-dye on your side?
Very.
No, I'm saying, do you see other colors?
Yeah.
You do? Where? On this, in the drink part? Let me turn it around.
Yeah.
Let's turn it around. You say you see other colors? I
Little
don't.
bit.
I don't
Just
really
drink it.
see it, but no. Now he's back with his pizza and his
And my
Happy
drink.
Meal,
And my-
Coke.
And my Coke. It's not a Happy Meal. Although it does make them pretty happy.
Yeah, that's those, was it endorphins or something?
Something like that.
And then I got my fries piping hot out of the little oven. It's probably an easy bake oven back there, right?
Yeah, probably.
The lady brought my drink to me because I was struggling to get everything together, get up. And
Sad.
dude, I was debating on leaving my fries or not. See, there he go for that Coke first. He said he was hungry, right?
Well, it's hot, guys.
Nah, it's been cooling off since we've been waiting for my fries and my
I
drink.
left the box closed.
Still, my fries were hot because they have aluminum foil and that helps keep them hot.
Lucky you.
Currently looking for the hand sanitizer and we're running across hand soaps and glossy bottles. And by the way, the drink does not taste like a banana Laffy Taffy. It just tastes like a regular fruity frappuccino. But it's good.
So how would you rate it?
Yeah, I don't know. In between 5, I guess.
Oh, you have to rate it. Oh,
It's good.
from 1 to 10, you give it 5, I see.
Yeah, it's like in between. It's good, but I don't know. I don't think anybody on the internet is jumping for joy about this one either. Like they get it because it's Instagrammable and it's decently flavored.
Well, these are all soap, so we're close, but this isn't it.
So maybe further down.
Oh, the next aisle.
Oh yeah, we have success. He found it. It was down on the low shelves. I don't know why they would put it low.
They have other ones that are bigger, but they don't have the pump, different brands. So let's get this one, right?
Hold it out. Yep.
Excuse
Oh,
us.
excuse me.
Sorry.
No problem.
Okay. We get another one. We need 2.
You want 2? Oh,
Remember, one for me, one for you. Now we gotta find the Don.
One for me and one for you? I thought this was for the place, not for us.
Yeah, it is. But once we're gonna just deliver one bottle.
Oh, yeah. All right, now we gotta get Dawn, right?
Yep.
Okay, that will be... All right, everyone, we're back. What's going on, Dalesha?
We got the goods.
We got the goods.
First and foremost.
We got the product.
Second and foremost, I got another drink. I got even though I said it was a 5, I know I won't be getting this again. Plus it's a limited time and I don't know when that limited time ends. So I got a second one. But this one I think they accidentally made it with regular milk. So, But it does have a different
Fun times later.
It does have a different taste, actually, with the regular milk. I don't taste banana. Still, I don't taste banana. But some of the ladies were saying they tasted banana, and this lady who was nice enough to give me the money off of her gift card after she had a few bucks left. She gave me some of her money, so I only needed to spend $1.90 something cents, and
Cent, not cents.
I said that.
Oh,
Anyway, people always trying to correct you. But,
showing those teeth. That's better.
Sure.
No, you know what? Go back to the other way.
So yeah, so I only had to do that. So that was really nice. We were chatting it up in line because it was a long line. Now we're just waiting on the bus to go to APL and
That's the animal shelter.
Donate the goods. I wasn't gonna tell them until we got there. But
You already told them. You already told them before we got there.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, when we were there, you said you're here to get some stuff to take to the animal shelter.
Did I say animal shelter? Or did
You
I say
did.
APL?
No, you gave it away.
Oh well. Anyway.
Cat's out of the bag.
So.
The product.
So we got
The merchandise.
We got 2 large.
Tony, you got the stuff? Sorry.
Second to large dish soap.
Second to large.
Cause you picked up a bigger one, remember? Well, you thought it was bigger, but
I think we got to turn on closed captioning here.
and then hand sanitizer.
Yes.
Why we have to turn on closed captioning?
Because I'm having a hard time understanding what you're saying.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, you translate that in Spanish and do what you do.
No, thank you. No, that's subtitles.
You have to no. But I'm saying you translate it in Spanish.
I'd prefer not to.
Oh, okay. Well, all right, guys. It's still yellow. It's like a neon greenish, yellowy kind of color.
But what's really important is I got another Coke because I threw my other cup away stupidly. So I had
This
to
one
buy
is
another.
actually kid size, a Happy Meal
It is.
size.
That's a small. There's no point in getting a medium.
He doesn't like holding his drink. You guys, if you're looking for a hoodie, you might want to check out Walmart because I was trying to just find a hoodie just to have like a sweatshirt zip up.
I was gonna say.
And they're all out here at Target, which makes me sad. But that's okay.
I'm also sad.
I'll just deal with Walmart, I guess.
Oh, I pushed
If
that.
I really need one.
If you really need one. You don't need any
Yeah,
clothing.
I need like
should do it. You should do
like
it.
a summer hoodie.
Why don't you do a video where you show your entire closet?
I plan on it. You gotta take off the doors though.
Whatever. See you guys in a little bit.
Hey guys, we made it to the animal shelter. Just dropped off our donations and washed our hands. I used to do a little volunteering here, so we know the lay of the land. This is one of the rooms with kittens and cats. This isn't the sick cat room. They're usually not too sick in here. And this is their clipboard. But yeah, we dropped off our donations.
This guy's having lunch.
Oh yeah?
He's down there eating.
Is that a puppy? Hi puppy. Hey baby. She was right in there.
We're here at the animal shelter. We just finished looking at the cats. Shut up, Dalesha. We just saw a puppy. I recorded him. I tape recorded him. He's on there. Whatever. It does. Wow, this is new.
They painted it or something.
And those steps are new too. This is different.
You want to see the dogs before we go upstairs?
I most certainly do. I'm a dog person. Sorry if you're a cat person, but
They all might be outside actually.
true. But I hear some barkers in here. What? Epa.
You guys wanted to see the dogs?
Yeah.
Did you guys have a dog before?
No, unfortunately.
You always just come and see the dog.
Yeah, we like big dogs.
Okay, because I know I've seen you guys here.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
We would come and walk them. That's about, once in a while, but
So she's the only dog that's inside because our vet was working on fixing her kennel outside. Everybody else is still outside.
That's
okay.
what I
Let's go.
thought.
Let's go outside.
That's what I was thinking.
Just out that green door to your right. You guys have been here.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna say, what's the name? Hey, they got a fan there. I don't know if that's
I don't know. All right, guys. Now here's the real, all the puppies. Hi. What's your name? What? What's your name? Oh, okay. All right. Hold on.
Look, there's one right there.
Oh, I see him. He's taking a nap. Hi, guys.
Make sure you're getting them.
I am, sir. Relax, okay? I got you. Hey, hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to do it? Yeah, you got it.
He's in his element right now, so.
I was recording him.
No, I'm just saying you're in your element.
Hey, puppy.
Be careful. Remember, don't put your finger in the thing. He's quiet. You're quiet. Look at you.
I like your ears. Hey.
This is where they bring the dogs to enjoy the sunshine, which is kind of gloomy out now.
What's your name? Ouch.
What happened?
I don't know. Just got a weird pain. Shut up.
Now we're showing you guys the cats who aren't super healthy, but they still need love too. There used to be a blind chihuahua in that room. This is one of the rooms. Some of them are FIV rooms, and that's like age for cats, I believe they said.
It is. It's the feline
Yeah.
immunodeficiency virus.
I'm sorry, could you say that so they can actually hear you?
Feline.
No, turn around.
Feline immunodeficiency virus.
Okay. And sometimes there's cats in those cages. That's another room. This whole building used to be a campground.
This one has a sign that says "Adopt Us."
Oh, the lights are. Oh, I thought the lights was off. It's just dark. There's another room. Which one you want to go in?
Well, let's see.
There's another room. But yeah, this whole place used to be campgrounds, I guess some time ago. Remember, to adopt, don't shop.
Is that a thing?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's the thing that they say. Which one you want to go in?
You pick. I want the other room. We saw the disabled cats last time.
I thought that was one of these rooms.
It's like one of these back ones, but it was one on this side. Could it be this room?
You read the sign, I think they each say what.
That's like a supply.
Okay guys, we made it in. We're in cat paradise. This is what the inside of the room looks like. We're not sure which room this is because he didn't read the sign. But look at this guy's fluffy tail.
All the cats in this upstairs, or no matter the room, they're all sick
Yeah,
in some way. Either they have a handicap, they're crippled somehow, or
I think everybody knew that.
they have or they have FIV, like we said a minute ago, or they have cancer or something.
Yeah,
So.
so sad. If we could, I think I would be sad, but I think I would want to adopt one of them because, you know, living in a shelter the rest of your life.
Yeah.
I think there's only 2 in here.
No.
No, is there 3? I don't know. This guy came off the windowsill to come see us. And now he's laying
You
down
can't
though.
see me, not you.
Yeah, because he went straight to you actually.
Funny how they take.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the dogs were looking more at you today than me. Really kind of offensive. I think there's another one right over there. Look.
Go over. Oh, in the cage? Guys, remember, we're visually impaired, so. Some things that might be animals might be stuffed animals. Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed today's video of us shopping,
being charitable, and
coming to see the kitties. We probably will be back and do a more in-depth video about the shelter, and like so you could actually see us playing with the animals and stuff, but kind of short on time today because somebody wants to see the dogs. But yeah, so we hope y'all liked this video. Remember, can't talk. Remember to check out the video before this and the video before that, and so on and so forth. Share with your friends. Got
and
anything to say?
family. And turn on the post notification bell and
Like, comment, subscribe,
do it all.
and leave us a comment of what y'all thought.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you next time.